This video includes everything, right from planning your photo shoot, setup क्या होगा, look आपका look क्या होगा, which outfit you gonna wear, what props you are gonna use, okay, how you are going to click those pictures. Once those pictures are clicked, उसको edit कैसे करेंगे, edit कर लिया ना, post कैसे करेंगे, like वो layouts कैसे create करेंगे, okay, what caption would you put for your pictures. This is the only video that you need. Amigos, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, this is me Vedika. I hope you all are glowing. Well, starting with our video, first stop would be to decide कि आप कौन से photos click करोगे. Alright, so these are few references that I have to click. So according to your outfit, you will decide the setup. For that, you need to plan your outfit. These are my outfit recommendations for your Diwali photoshoot. It's not like you know, if you know, it's like keeping it subtle, but at the same time, it's festive. Okay. If you want, I have added the links in the description box. It's time for you to click photos. Okay, for photos, it's like आपको setup चाहिए. At the same time, you need props, right? So the props, I have researched different sites, actually decor items which you are going to use as props. Now it's time for you to click pictures. I have added the screen recordings. Okay, कि आप photos कैसे click करोगे and different ideas how you can do that. You can follow the same. It's like you can also refer this and you can do it on your own. Well, I'm going to use my own phone to click my pictures, and I would attach that phone on the tripod. Okay, keep your phone somewhere else, turn on the front camera, selfie, timer chalu karo, because okay, like, and the palm shutter or timer, and then you can start clicking your pictures. This is how I click my pictures, and you can also click your pictures with this trick. Okay. Now it's time for you to select the ones जो बहुत अच्छे हैं. बहुत सारे similar photos भी होते हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे बहुत ऐसा हिल गए हम, ऐसे बहुत सारे photos होते हैं. So what I do is go back in my phone's gallery, okay, and then favorite the ones जो अच्छे हैं, okay, delete the other ones जो favorite मतलब favorite में add नहीं किए जो अच्छे नहीं हैं. Then I might again go to the favorite section and then select उसमें से भी छान लेंगे कि कौन से अच्छे हैं. After doing this 2 rounds of photo selection now, you end up with good pictures. And then I edit those. It's not like I would edit all the pictures. So these are the apps that I use for editing my photos, and especially if you want to edit your festive photos, I have shared with you all the tutorial how you can do that. Watch the entire video. Now that your photos are edited, it's not like you are going to only click your pictures, but at the same time you are going to click the pictures of the aesthetics, like the Diwali lights, diyas, candles, the lantern, the rangoli, and everything, the vibe around you during Diwali. Okay, it's not like सिर्फ आप आपके photos click कर रहे हो. Click the pictures of your accessories, the makeup, and like each and everything, capture everything. Then you can decide कि आपको कौन से रखना है, कौन से delete करना है. It's time for you to decide what will you do with all these pictures. Okay, so firstly we'll create the story layouts, okay, the Instagram layouts that we have. So watch this next part for all the story layout references. Now that your story layout references are done, it's time for you to add those Desi songs and festive songs for your post. Here are few suggestions.
जिसे मेरा जीना मरना
अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे.
Well, everything is done. You have put up the song. Now it's time for you to add the caption. I mean, you have to come up with those Desi ideas. Well, I guess everything is done. If I have missed out on anything, please let me know in the comment section. I will come up with a short video for the same in a very short time. So thank you so much for your beautiful, lovely, supportive comment, and I would give a shout out to another person in my next video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I'm sure कि आप सबको ये video बहुत ही ज़्यादा helpful रहा हो. And if this video has helped you a lot, give it a big thumbs up and do share this video with all your friends who are photo geek and want to post their pictures on Instagram. Now see you guys in my next video. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. Bye.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.